Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'm going to be showing you how to plant some dahlia seeds. This will work with dwarf dahlias, pom-pom dahlias, any type of dahlia seed. It's very simple, so let me show you how to do it. So you want to start your dahlia seeds off in some containers like these or some seed cells. You don't want them to be too small because otherwise the roots won't have much room to develop. So I say this size is ideal. Then what you want to do is get some multi-purpose compost and run it through a sieve so you have a nice fine mixture. So now you've separated out all these big lumps of soil, I'd recommend just to give it all a break up in your hands and give it a final sieve. So now you're not wasting any compost. All you've got is bits of bark and things like that, so you can use this for mulch in your garden. So here we have a nice fine fluffy mixture of multi-purpose compost. So what you want to do is level it out in the pots, give them a bit of a tap down, so sieving the compost allows the seeds to break through the surface of the soil more easily without being hindered by little bits of bark. So what we're going to do now is get some water very gently. I'm using one of those little sprinkler bottles that I've made, and gently give the soil a bit of a drink. This means we won't have to do as much watering later on, which will wash the seeds out and displace them. Let the water soak down for a little bit and make tiny indentations in the middle of each pot. No more than 1/4 inch or 0.5 centimeters. This doesn't have to be precise. It's just a rough measurement. Here I'm planting some pom-pom dahlias. I got 50 seeds from Wilko for £1. Take them out of the packet. Sometimes they might come in a double packet. So now your packet is open, you want to put a few seeds into your hand. This is what your seeds should look like. So what you want to do is grab 2 or 3 and put them in the little indentations that you made. If you have any leftover seeds, wrap the top of the packet up and secure it nicely. Now get your sieve again and sieve over a little bit of compost. Tap it down. This should cover your seeds with just a few millimeters of compost to top them off. I'm going to use some of this sieve soil that's gone on the sides to do some of these back here. Now get the bottom of a pot and just very gently tap them down ever so slightly. I'm going to put a bit more soil in that one, just a little bit. Then what I'm going to do is get a tray with drainage holes in the bottom to still allow water through, and put them in that. So now what you want to do, using a very light sprinkler, gently give them a drink. Be very careful as you don't want to displace the seeds. That should be enough. Now what you want to do is put them in a sunny location, probably in a greenhouse or something, to get them germinating. Once they've sprouted, Prick a few out, leaving the strongest one. Then when the risk of frost has passed, you can plant them outside, and then you should have some nice dahlias. Remember to make a label with the date zone and variety on it, so you know in 7 to 21 days that your seed should have sprouted. So I hope this little video helped you, and if so, remember to click that like button and press subscribe with notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be uploading many videos on my dahlias throughout the year, so stay tuned for that. And to watch my latest video, click up here, and to watch me pot up some dahlia tubers, click up here, and also click on this little circle icon down here. That means you can subscribe to my channel easily. And apart from that, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.